Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by granting Snapchat the permissions it needs, otherwise nothing else works. Open your phone settings, enable location or GPS, and choose high accuracy. Once done, launch Snapchat and tap your profile, then settings, then location services. Allow access while using the app or always if you need continuous updates. Make sure Snap Map is enabled by tapping the map icon in the camera view. This first step ensures the app can read and share your coordinates securely. Once permissions are set, pinch inward on the camera screen to open Snap Map. The map populates with Bitmojis and public stories. You can tap a friend's avatar to view their current location if they share it, or use the search bar to find a place, business, or event. Make sure to check the bottom left settings to toggle ghost mode or restrict sharing to specific friends. This middle step shows you both live positions and contextual story pins, so you can interpret the map quickly. To finish, tap a Bitmoji or place to see exact coordinates, get directions, or begin messaging. This completes the locate and act flow. If you need someone to see you, choose who you share within map settings, otherwise enable ghost mode. Make sure to refresh the map if pins look outdated. Close Snapchat completely and reopen it. If locations are inaccurate, toggle your device location off and on, confirm app permissions, and install any Snapchat updates. That troubleshooting usually resolves syncing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.